Growing up in Calatagan, akala ko nakita ko na lahat. Pero may mga lugar talaga na kahit ilang beses mong balikan, iba pa rin yung pakiramdam. This is Little Boracay of Calatagan. Hindi man ito first time ko, pero every visit feels just as special. From the shore, sasakay ka ng bangka. And habang papalayo ka, marirealize mo ang ganda pala talaga ng hometown mo. Hanggang makarating ka sa gitna ng white sandbar. Surrounded by clear blue water, tahimik at peaceful. Yung tipong mapapahinto ka na lang at ma-appreciate mo yung moment. May floating cottage pa, where you can just sit, eat, laugh, and spend time with your family. Simple lang pero sobrang meaningful. If you want a little adventure, may snorkeling, pwede rin mag-diving. And then you'll notice the starfish, quietly resting under the water like part of the beauty of this place. Nakaka-proud lang kasi this is where I grew up. And moments like this remind me Calatagan will always feel like home. And if you want to experience this, please message this Facebook page, Jessica's Floating Cottage, for more information.